Alright, what's up YouTube? Hope you guys are doing well today. So let's start. Today we're day 2, road to 20k in payout. So for day 2, we improved a little bit, right? PNL wise, but we're still at the same place. So yeah, basically today I took a dumb trade which led me to lose the first trade, and then the other trade, which was the optimal trade, won. So yeah, my emotions are good. My trading strategy is good. I just need to stop doing those dumb mistakes. How can I stop doing them? Well, I need to backtest more FX replay, right? Just get more data, more experience. So like always, this is my leader account right there. So as you guys know, Monday bank holiday, Tuesday I traded, but I forgot to reconnect my trade sinker. So as of right now, my main account, the leader, is looking like that, and all the others would be looking like that. All right, so around 400 in difference. Regardless, is it lagging? It is. Sorry. Anyway, you guys can see here pretty much 80, 80, 80, 93 PNL for the day. So I'll show you guys the trade and all that good stuff. But yeah, for day 2, I guess we're still at the same place, but hopefully next week I can actually start focusing more and meet the buffer. So as you guys remember, yesterday I was at I guess this number minus 93, right? So we're, I guess, improving slowly. Anyway, right now I need around, let me just calculate it real quick. 26,500. This is the buffer for the 25k's account. So it's 1.5k minus 25,730, if I remember. Anyway, I need around 2 more good trades, and for the other accounts, slowly, maybe like 3 more trades. And then yeah, once I met the buffer, from there I can start daily payouts and start reaching my goal, right? So enough talking, let's start. Today we're Friday, September 5. So we had news at 8:30 NFP, and then we had Trump at 4. So not a big deal for our trading. So let's start. Here, let me put the replay. This is 8:59. All right. So for starters, we had London highs right there. So I'll just mark it. Then on the 15-minute, if you guys want to see sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity easier, you can use this. What's it called? Bars, I guess. But yeah. So let's put it back. So we know we have this London high. What else do we have that I can see on the chart? Well, we have this sell side right there and right there. So we just mark it up. As you guys can see right there. Anyway, so now I'm just waiting for market open, and then I'm gonna start building my context, right? So I'll show you guys. Let's fast forward. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now what else can we see? We have this here that we can mark. All right, so market open in 1 more minute. Let's see what price does. All right, so as of right now, I'm just watching and building a context. So all right, market open, we swept this buy side liquidity, and then what? We're starting to reverse. Perfect. And remember, we have this sell side and this sell side. So for me, I'm looking for two things on macro start, right? I'm looking for either reversal or continuation of the zones that we marked, right? So as of right now, what are we in? A reversal. Why? Because we swept this and start reversing. Perfect. So technically, I'm looking for shorts. Then from there, depends what you guys looking for. You can look for order block setups, fair value gap, inverse, all that stuff. So I'll show you guys the trade for the day, and then I'll show you guys what I did wrong. Or here, I'll just show you guys what I did wrong first. So what I did wrong is basically macro starts from 9:45 to 10:15, right? But sometimes there's setup starting from 9:40. So this is one thing I'll do on FX replay later. Not later, but you know, as I backtest, I'm gonna make sure should I actually wait for 9:45 or start looking for 9:40. Anyway, basically I saw these candle reject, and I was like, all right, dumb mistake. Like I said, don't like. I shouldn't even be showing you guys this because it's just so dumb. Anyway, so I saw this. I'm like, all right, might as well enter a long. So bang, we swept this from there. I went long at this fair value gap at 9:41, and as you guys know, it was just dumb because even this London high is right there. It just doesn't make sense. But anyway, let me just show you guys. Stop loss below this. TP a 1 to 2. Unless we start rejecting from this buy side, then I can close it. Then it went all the way down like that. I noticed my mistake and I just straight up closed the trade. So bang, let's remove those. Now, optimal trade, let's remove this. So we know we're in a reversal. I know I'm looking for shorts. The model that I like to use is the fair value gaps, right? So 47, 48. I'm pressing slow so I can actually catch it. So bang, right there, we created the fair value gap, and it's a short fair value gap. I'm looking for shorts, and that's perfect. We have this sell side we can target, this sell side. Normally I just target 1 to 2, but it's all about building the context. Market open, we swept this, we start reversing. Perfect. We didn't take any sell side yet. So I'm still looking for shorts. I got my short set up. So 953. From there I can enter. So depending on the stop loss, which would be here. So this is not it, because I can only risk 250 or less. Anyway, it's around there. Let me just pull up this. Stop loss above the gap for a 1 to 2. But like I said, we always need to check. For example, now we have this new sell side that we need to be careful. But the main ones are this, and then lower, if there is, which there is. All right, so TP, perfect. Okay, I'm gonna just fast forward. Bang. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7, you know. All right. sorry, 6-7 minutes later. I'm so fried. All right. So we filled this fair value gap. I was looking for short, and then bang, I hit my full TP, which led me to get around 100, or you guys seen like 80 to 90 on the day. So what I need to improve on? Well, I need to be patient. I pattern traded this. I saw a fair value gap, I just entered. It doesn't even make sense, you know? I shouldn't even have done that. We're looking for short. Bang, we had our short, 954. And then, yeah. Now, if you guys want to check something else, we ended up taking this sell side and this sell side and even lower, right? But yeah, for day 2, that's the trade. Around plus 80. So yeah, Monday is gonna be day 3, but in the weekends I'll probably do a little backtesting video on FX replay. So I'll go on a random month, right? I'll backtest like 1 week or 2 weeks and then post it, you know, so I can have something to post on the weekends. I think this is what I'm gonna do. So if you guys want to see this, either Saturday or Sunday, I'll post a backtesting video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.